The disaster agency confirms more than 400 dead after floods and landslides hit Indonesia. Families search desperately for loved ones amongst the dead for clarification. As Sumatra's floods worsens, thousands are affected. Rescue teams race to rescue those trapped. Cyclone-driven rains pounded the island. Torrential downpours triggered widespread flooding. Landslides swept through communities. Homes washed away. Roads were cut across multiple districts. Authorities say thousands are displaced. Hundreds injured. Search and rescue teams deployed. Military units are supporting operations. Access is hampered by damaged bridges. Blocked highways add delays. Meteorologists warn of continued heavy rain and fears of more landslides. International aid groups are standing by. Evacuations and medical care are prioritized.